The sky is very gray today. And the wind is so cold.
A big snowstorm is coming.
I must find Dodo immediately. Quack! 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 Roro! Roro, look at all this snow. Roro, you came back.
Of course, Dodo. I wouldn't leave you.
Hello, Dodo. I was looking for you. Oh, hi, Roro. I'm glad you found me. Isn't it beautiful? Everything is white. Yes, it really is. We need to go home soon, Dodo. Okay, Roro. Yo. The wind is getting very strong. What are those marks? Look, they lead to the center of the pond. Hi there, I'm Pipi. What is that, Roro? It's not a footprint. Oh, squeak? Squeak, squeak, squeak. Squeak. Oh, hello there. Squeak, squeak. Whoopsies! Are you all right? Need a helping hand? I think so, thank you. Hello. My name is Pipi. I am new here in the forest. We can help you. Hello, Pipi. I am Roro. And this is Dodo. Hi, Pipi. Do you like the snow? Yes, I do. Oh, I see. Yes, but it's very big and very cold. We are going back to the village. The storm is coming. Oh, no, Roro. It looks scary. The wind is too fast. It's hard to walk up. Whoa! Way too slippery. Quack! Help! My feet are slipping. This is too funny.
Don't walk on your feet. That's for grass.
In my family, we use our bellies.
Whee! Woohoo! Look at me go!
Whee!
Oh, look at me go! Wow! Whoa! I wish I could do that. Amazing.
Okay, though, can we do that too? Yes! It is the belly slide. It is fast and fun. Do you want to try it with me?
I can teach you. It's easy.
Thank you, Pipi.
Yes, teach us. The path is hidden in the mist, but we can do this together. Yeah, Roro, let's go.
Slide time.
Okay, team. Let's learn the belly slide.
We must reach the village before the storm gets big. We're running out of time. Quick, this way. Hey, over here. Look, look. Oh.
Everyone, lie down just like me. Whoa, it's freezing! But we have to keep going. Slide with me. Let's do it! Now, push hard with your legs. 1, 2, push! Squeak!
Quack! I am sliding. I am a yellow boat.
Oh no. Oh. Not again! My scarf! Oh. Wait! Help! I'm spinning! Oh. Don't worry, I'm coming to help you! You are very good at this, Pipi. Thank you, Roro. Chirp, chirp! Whoa, whoa! Are you all right, Roro? Spinny! Let's get you down. Thanks, Pipi. Don't worry, Roro. You are just too long. Oh, thank you, Pipi. Tuck in your ears and keep your body straight. One, 2, push. I am doing it. I am sliding. That's a steep drop.
Wow! Let's slide down.
It's so high. Look at these. They're everywhere. Ooh, pine cone towers. Can we slide through them? We must count the pine cones as we slide.
If we hit one, we will stop. We must go between them.
Okay.
Ooh. I see one pine cone on the left.
Oh, look over there, Roro.
We'll have to be careful. I see 2 pine cones on the right. That makes 3. Let's go!
Woohoo! Look faster! going so fast! Hold on.
Huh? Slide to the left.
Almost there. We're fitting. So close. We are like a team of racers. Oh no!
We need to find another way.
I can't go up there. Watch out! Stop! That was close.
I know, Roro. Let's try to move it together.
Okay, I'm pushing. Heave. It's too heavy. I can't move it. It is too heavy. We cannot push this.
Let's look around for another way. Come on!
I found it! Look what I found! Wow! Oh, a board! Look! A magic sled from the silver tree! If we all sit on it, we will be strong enough. All right, team, ready? Ready, Roro. Let's go. Everyone push together on 3. One, 2, 3. Push. Whoa! We did it! Well, we made it. Whew, that was close. Slide again soon? We did it! The path is clear now!
Wow, Pipi, you're amazing.
We are a great team. Nothing can stop us.
The village is still far, and the fog is coming.
Oh no! I think this is the right path. It looks very spooky in there.
We must be very brave to finish the journey.
Oh no, Roro, I can't see anything. Just hold on, Dodo. We'll get through this. Don't let go. I can't see my own feet.
Hold on, I've got you.
I'm slipping. Whee! Dodo, look! It's Pipi! Pipi, we were so worried. I see it! There it is! It's so bright! We found it! That's the village! We are almost home! Really? We need to hurry! Yes! Let's go! Keep pushing! Whoa! This is fast! We're almost there! Hold on! Look out! Ah! Whoosh! Oh, wow, that was close. That was close. Stay straight, Roro. Don't worry, I've got it. We're gonna make it.
There it is.
light! Cries Pipi.
The path is clear. Let's go! Slide down. Hold on tight. Whee! Ah!
Slide faster.
Wing! Wing!
This is the best belly slide.
We made it! Yahoo! Hoo!
Hooray!
We're safe inside now.
It's so warm! Cozy!
Oh, Roro and Dodo. It's so wonderful to see you.
Roro, Doro, Dodo, you are safe.
Welcome, Mama Bear.
Hello. Hi there.
It's good to see you, little one.
Well, hello there, little one.
Hi.
And who is this little round friend?
This is Pipi, Dodo says proudly. He's my friend.
He taught us how to slide on our bellies. Look! Yes, that's how we did it. He is a hero, Bebogrito.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, you are.
Welcome, Pipi. Please come inside.
The star stones warm the room, Dodo.
Ooh, look at them glow, Roro. That's better.
And so much warmer in here.
Pipi, what are you looking at?
Oh, look, Mama's coming. Hooray! Treats are here. Yum, warm milk.
Ah, just what we needed.
Yes, perfect. Cozy. Oh, star cookies. Yay, cookies. Mmm, delicious. Thank you for helping me. I was alone in the snow.
You're here now, Pipi.
Yes, together. Pipi, but now I have best friends.
Roro, we're here for you, Pipi.
We'll find Dodo.
Roro's right, we will. In the White Forest, no one is alone.
Quack, quack, squeak. We learned that being different is good. Yeah!
Hooray! Pipi slides on his belly, Dodo waddles. But I can run very fast.
and I hop.
But together, we can go very fast.
It was the biggest snowball! E-V-E-R! And then we rolled it down the hill. And then Roro spun like a top.
Look at this wonderful place. It's so bright and happy. So beautiful. Woohoo! This is the best dream ever. Whee! Look at me go!
The storm is finally over. What a beautiful morning.
Look at the path ahead. Wow, it's so sparkly. Let's go.
Good morning. Are you ready for an adventure?
The morning is beautiful. Yes, it's a perfect day for our adventure. Quack, quack. Look, the sun is back.
Is it time for more belly sliding?
Yes, Pipi.
A new adventure begins.
Oh, yeah!
Let's go this way. Hurry, Dodo. Hooray, we're here. Come on, friends. The big hill is just ahead.
Yay! Adventure awaits. Let's slide down it.
Okay, ready?
Ready! Ready!
1, 2, 3,
Push!
Woohoo! Faster! We're flying.
This wind is amazing! I love it! It's so fast!
Let's go to the pond. Hold on tight.
Whoa! This is fun! Let's go faster! Watch this! Whoa! Oops! Whee!
Need a hand there?
Thanks, Roro. I'm okay.
You're all good now, Dodo.
Thank you, Roro. Look, the path is right there. We can do this together.
Yes, we can.
Let's go. Oh, I'm glad I found you guys. We're glad too. Look what we did. We did it together. Yes, we did.
Please, Roro. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Look at the colors. Wow. This is the most beautiful thing ever.
Look at the lights. Whee! I found another one. I found another one.
Let's make something beautiful with the ice, friends.
Ooh, sparkly flowers.
Slide the big one here.
Done. They look so pretty, don't they?
Look what we made. It's perfect. So pretty.
Shall we go? Look, over there. Oh, wow. Ooh. Look, Dodo, the legendary silver tree. Wow. So many shiny pine cones.
Just a little further. Having trouble, Dodo? Roro, you got it. Go, go. Hey, look what I found. It rolls. Let's make a path. Keep it coming, Pipi. Oh, I got it. Slide and score.
Nice teamwork.
Great block, Roro.
What a slide, Pipi.
Oh, wow.
That was funny. So silly.
Thanks, everyone. Let's head back now.
Time to go home. I'm getting hungry. Me too.
Hello, little ones.
Hello, my little adventurers. Come in, it's safe now.
We're here, Mama Bear.
Hooray!
I've been waiting for you.
Almost there.
Mama Bear! I'm hungry.
Look, a bowl. Mama Bear holds the bowl and says, "Let's share this warm breakfast."
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Mama Bear. You're very welcome, little Pipi. Best meal ever. Thank you, Mama Bear. That was the best breakfast ever.
I'm glad you liked it.
Let's play with the toy. Look at the little car. So cool. Look at that. Hello, Pipi. Hi, friends.
Time to build our stations. Oh, goody. Sliding here to help.
Frozen pond.
Yes, but first we need to go to the icy hill. The crystal slope is over here. Do you see it?
Oh, yes, I see it.
Perfect.
Look, it's that way.
We'll explore the whole village.
This house is nice and warm. I like it here.
Thank you. Thank you. Here. Oh, thank you.
I hope you like it.
It's perfect.
I am so happy to be here with you both.
Lunch is ready. It smells so good. Yay, soup.
Almost there. I have the napkins. Let's set the table. Careful, Pipi. Keep it steady.
I got it, Dodo. Just a little more.
Almost there.
I did it.
Bravo, Pipi. That's amazing. Thank you, everyone.
So many ideas for slides.
Yes, let's build them all.
I like the curly one. I'm so glad we found Pipi.